The monster has arrived. There are luxury SUVs. There are performance SUVs. And then there is the beast you are about to see today. The new Mercedes-AMG G63 modified by Venuum is not just another expensive SUV. This thing looks like it escaped from a futuristic military movie. It is loud, aggressive, wild, and completely impossible to ignore. This machine takes the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class and transforms it into something ultra-exotic. Every angle screams power. Every detail demands attention. And when this monster drives through the city, people stop what they are doing just to stare. Today, we are diving deep into this insane creation. We will explore the design, the luxury interior, the brutal performance, the crazy road presence, and why the Venuum G63 might be one of the most outrageous SUVs on Earth. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself, because this is not just a G-Wagon anymore. This is automotive insanity on four wheels. The G-Wagon legacy. Before we talk about the Venuum version, we need to understand why the G63 is already one of the most iconic SUVs in the world. The G-Class started as a military vehicle decades ago. It was built to survive rough terrain, dangerous conditions, and impossible roads. But over time, Mercedes transformed it into a luxury icon. Today, celebrities, athletes, billionaires, and influencers all love the G-Wagon. Why? Because nothing else looks like it. The boxy design, the upright windshield, the aggressive stance, the signature door sound. Everything about the G-Class feels powerful. And the Mercedes-AMG G63 takes that experience to another level with massive power and insane performance. But Venuum looked at the standard G63 and said something shocking. Not crazy enough. And that is where this monster was born. The exterior, pure automotive aggression. The first thing you notice about the Venuum G63 is the design. This thing looks absolutely insane. The body kit completely changes the personality of the SUV. It becomes wider, lower, meaner, and far more aggressive than the standard model. The front end looks like a predator. Huge air intakes dominate the bumper. Sharp carbon fiber lines create a futuristic appearance. The hood looks muscular and violent. Every edge feels designed to intimidate. And then you see the lighting. The LED setup gives the SUV a cyberpunk-style look at night. It almost feels like a concept car from the future. From the side, the oversized wheels instantly grab your attention. Massive rims, ultra-wide tires, aggressive fender flares. Everything about this SUV screams dominance. Even standing still, it looks fast. Then you move to the rear. And this is where things become completely outrageous. The rear diffuser, carbon fiber details, aggressive exhaust system, and sporty styling make the SUV look like a supercar mixed with a tank. It is elegant chaos, luxury mixed with madness. And somehow it works perfectly. The color combinations are insane. One thing Venuum does extremely well is customization. Some builds feature stealth black finishes that make the SUV look like a secret military vehicle. Others use crazy neon accents, forged carbon, gold details, or bright custom paint. Every Venuum G63 feels unique. And that exclusivity matters. Because people buying this SUV do not want to blend in. They want attention. They want presence. They want everyone on the road to know they arrived. And trust me, mission accomplished. The interior, a private jet on wheels. Open the doors, and the luxury experience becomes even crazier. Inside the Venuum G63, everything feels handcrafted. Premium leather covers almost every surface. Carbon fiber surrounds the cabin. Ambient lighting glows throughout the interior. The seats look like luxury thrones, and the attention to detail is unbelievable. Some versions include custom stitching, personalized logos, Alcantara finishes, illuminated panels, and exotic materials that you normally only see in ultra-expensive supercars. The cabin feels like a mix between a luxury lounge and a spaceship. And despite the aggressive exterior, the comfort level remains incredible. The seats are soft. The driving position is commanding. The visibility is excellent. And the technology is modern and premium. Huge digital screens control the vehicle systems. Advanced cameras help maneuver the large SUV. Premium sound systems turn the cabin into a concert hall. Everything feels expensive. Because it is. Very expensive. Performance, a twin-turbo monster. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood sits a monstrous V8 engine. The Mercedes-AMG G63 already produces brutal power from the factory. But some Venuum builds push the performance even further. The twin-turbocharged engine delivers explosive acceleration. Press the throttle, and this heavy luxury SUV launches forward with shocking force. It almost makes no sense. A massive box-shaped SUV should not move this fast. But it does. The sound is absolutely addictive. The exhaust growls at idle. It roars during acceleration. And it crackles aggressively during downshifts. Every tunnel becomes an event. Every traffic light becomes a performance. And despite its aggressive personality, the SUV still feels surprisingly refined during normal driving. That balance is what makes the G63 so special. It can be calm and luxurious 1 second, then transform into a raging monster the next. Road presence, nothing compares. This is where the Venuum G63 becomes truly special. Road presence. Very few vehicles on Earth command attention like this. Ferraris attract attention. Lamborghinis attract attention. But a wild, customized G63 creates a completely different reaction. People pull out their phones. Drivers slow down to look. Children point at it. Crowds gather around it at gas stations. Because this SUV looks powerful. Not just rich. Powerful. It has the visual energy of a celebrity bodyguard vehicle mixed with a futuristic luxury tank. And honestly, that is exactly why people love it. The price of extreme luxury. Of course, creating something this outrageous is not cheap. A standard Mercedes-AMG G63 is already extremely expensive. But once Venuum customization begins, the price climbs rapidly. Custom body kits, forged carbon fiber, luxury interiors, custom wheels, performance upgrades, unique paint, everything adds up. Some fully customized builds can cost as much as exotic supercars. But buyers are not just paying for transportation. They're paying for exclusivity, for attention, for individuality, for the feeling of driving something nobody else has. And in the luxury world, that feeling is priceless. Why people are obsessed with the G63? The truth is simple. The G63 represents success. It combines luxury, aggression, power, prestige, and status into one machine. And Venuum pushes all of those qualities to the extreme. This SUV is not subtle. It does not whisper. It screams. And in today's social media world, bold vehicles dominate attention. That is why customized G-Wagons continue to explode in popularity online. They are dramatic. They are emotional. They are unforgettable. The ultimate wild SUV? The new Venuum G63 is not for everyone. Some people will think it is too aggressive, too flashy, too extreme. But that is exactly the point. This SUV was never built to be ordinary. It was built to shock people, to dominate the streets, to create emotion every single time the engine starts. And honestly, mission accomplished. The combination of luxury, power, futuristic design, and brutal road presence makes this one of the wildest SUVs in the world today. It is a luxury vehicle, a performance machine, a rolling statement, and above all, it is impossible to ignore. So, what do you think about the new Venuum Mercedes G63? Would you drive this ultra-exotic monster? Or is it simply too wild? Let me know in the comments below.